See friends, today we will solve problem 5 of linear algebra and discussing this problem. Okay, and a very interesting problem of linear algebra and confusing problem. And let's start now. And question is, A is a n cross n real matrix such that a cube plus a equals to 0. Then which of the following is and are true? Options first is trace of a equals to 0. Option second, trace of a not equal to 0. Option third, determinant of a equals to 0. And option 4 is determinant of a not equal to 0. Okay friends, let's start the solution. Given in this question, a cube plus a equals to 0 and factor is a square plus I equals to 0. Take possibility first. Possibility first, a equals to 0, and second possibility a square plus I equals to 0. Okay friends, two possibility a equals to 0 and second possibility a square plus identity equals to 0. Simply we take n equals to 2. Here not mention any order, so we take n equals to 2 for easily find solution. Okay, first we take a equals to 0 means null matrix, so we can write a equals to 0 0 0 and 0. In this matrix, trace of a equals to 0 and determinant of a equals to 0. For this matrix we can discard options second and option 4. In option second, trace of a not equal to 0, but here trace of a equals to 0, so option second discard. Determinant of a equals to 0, but in options 4 here determinant of a not equal to 0, so options 4 also discard. Okay, remaining options first and option third, so we take possibility second. Here a square plus identity equals to 0, so we take any randomly matrix such that a equals to 0 1 minus 1 and 0. Okay, we find a square equals is 0 1 minus 1 0, so we calculate a square is minus 1 0 0 and 0, again 0 and minus 1, and a square plus identity equals to minus 1 0 0 and minus 1 plus 1 0 0 and 1 equals to 0 matrix, means this matrix satisfies this equation, so we can take a equals to 0 1 minus 1 and 0. This matrix is satisfy this equation. Matrix is 0 1 minus 1 and 0, which satisfy a square plus identity equals to 0. Check this. Okay, so we can take a equals to 0 1 minus 1 and 0. Second possibility, and a is 0 1 minus 1 and 0. Here trace equals to 0 and determinant is 0 and plus 1, yani is plus 1, means in this third options determinant of a equals to 0, but here taking this matrix we get determinant of a equals to 1, so options third also discard. So only possibility of this question answer will be first, so here we get trace of a equals to 0. Problem is part C problem and only first option is true. Okay friends, and this problem can be asked in CSI NET exam in maybe December 2020 So if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you friends.